Feeling buried under a mountain of paper bills and struggling to keep track of payments? Let's dive into a quick review of QuickBooks invoicing features, showing you how to ditch the disarray and streamline your billing process in minutes first. The ease of use QuickBooks boasts an intuitive interface. Simply click the plus icon and select Invoice to get started. Notice the clear fields for customer details, invoice date, and a unique invoice number, which helps you track everything efficiently. Now, let's talk customization. Branding is key. You can easily upload your company logo, adjust the color scheme to match your brand, and even customize the layout of your invoices. This professional touch makes your invoices instantly recognizable and builds trust with your clients. Getting paid faster is crucial. QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with various payment processors. You can offer your customers multiple payment options, like credit cards, bank transfers, or even PayPal, directly from the invoice. This makes it incredibly convenient for them to pay you. Tracking and reporting are vital. QuickBooks allows you to easily track the status of all your invoices, whether they're paid, unpaid, or overdue. Plus, you can generate insightful reports to analyze payment trends, identify late-paying customers, and optimize your cash flow. So, if you're looking for an invoicing solution that's easy to use, customizable, and helps you get paid faster, explore QuickBooks. Take control of your financial workflow and say goodbye to invoice chaos for good. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. #QuickBooks, #Invoicing.